I am Christina from Acevacuums again. Welcome to our guide on deciding whether to repair or replace your vacuum cleaner. We'll explore the cost-benefit analysis for popular brands like Dyson, Shark, Miele, Bissell, Riccar, and more, helping you make an informed decision that suits your needs and budget. When considering Dyson vacuums, repairs are often more cost-effective than buying new. Repair costs range from $50 to $200, while new models can cost between $400 and $800, making repairs a financially sound choice. Miele vacuums are known for their durability. Repairing them can save you 50 to 75% compared to buying new. With repair costs between $75 and $250, it's a wise choice for extending the lifespan of your vacuum. For budget-friendly brands like Shark, Hoover, and Bissell, repairs are beneficial for minor issues. However, if repair costs exceed 50% of the purchase price, replacing the vacuum might be more practical. High-end brands like Miele, Dyson, Kirby, and Riccar offer strong cost-benefit for repairs due to their high purchase prices. Repairing these vacuums is often more economical than buying new, especially for minor issues. Repairing your vacuum not only saves money, but also reduces electronic waste, contributing to a sustainable lifestyle. At Ace Vacuums, we specialize in high-quality repairs for all major brands, ensuring like-new performance. Ace Vacuums offers free diagnostics and estimates to help you decide on repairs. For brands like Dyson, Shark, Bissell, Kirby, Riccar, Oreck, Electrolux, Kenmore, and Miele, repairs are often more economical than replacements, with common issues easily addressed by our expert team. Thank you for watching our guide on vacuum repairs versus replacements. For further assistance, contact Ace Vacuums for a free consultation. We are here to help you make the most economical choice for your vacuum needs. We offer free vacuum repair estimates, vacuum warranty services, appliances repair, central vacuum repair and installations, vacuum upgrades and trade-ins. Visit or call us for more details.